Hello, welcome back. In the previous video, we designed the structure of our banking data lake using raw, processed, and created zones. Now, if you can go back here, you can see that we have all them exist here. So now we reached in the interesting part where we are going to move to the next part where we are going to upload our banking data to the A3 so that we can proceed to implement our project of building the modern banking analytics platform. So let's go back to our code base here. Here we have created another folder which is called the extraction. It includes this Python file which we are going to use to migrate all of our data. I have decided not to move with importing the CSV files so that we have to do it professional way. So here you have to check if you have all these packages, and remember the code base of this application, it is all on this public repository. Go ahead and pull and do the installation of all these packages. So here you can see that we have the M file. I'm not going to open it. Instead, here we have the m.example where we have to link our S3 bucket that we just created. So once you are doing it on your way, also you have to ensure that you update it and use the bucket name that we want to insert our data in from this local operation sources up to the S3. So now let's go ahead and proceed. Here we have that Python file where we have the dp-config data. So also S3 bucket is specified, and remember to use the AWS region that we have used here. For the North Virginia, we are using the US East 1, if you can check from here. So that is the one that you should come and use here for the US region. If you switch to another one, then you could not be able to migrate or to upload our data to S3. So you have to ensure that it is all correct. So another part here is that our data we remove in the format of Parquet so that we can be able to view them in the form of columns rather than having in another format. So now the next part is that we are going to learn that Python function so that we can be able to migrate all of our data on the S3, and they will be automatically going in the data lake of law, as we just discussed about it in the last part of this video. So here I write Python source and write the name of our function that we are going to currently run. So once you are done, you hit enter. Now connecting to banking CBS, perform the extraction and uploading to our A3. Here you can see that we have the issue here for we need to authenticate again. So let me go ahead and authenticate onto our AWS and then try to run this command again. Now I'm trying to log in on my AWS account. From the next screen, you cannot be able to view that. So let me now it is done and I'm logged in. So let us go ahead and we run the command. Perfect. Now we are done. All of our datas are successfully uploaded on our S3 data lake. So you can see that this, if you can see from here, we just uploaded them to banking data lake and specified the bucket name, which is this one that we just mentioned, and the data lake of law, and it is the banking CBS customers. So you can go ahead and try to explore and try to upload some more information. You can modify or create another disk file where you can replace here instead for the customers. Now you can go ahead and use a different one of we check from the banking of accounts, branches, loans, so that we can upload all of those informations. But in order to not make this video too long, I'm going to proceed with these customers that we just uploaded and keep working with it. But once you are doing the follow along of the video, you can go ahead and upload the further informations or further tables, so that we can have full information there. So now we are done. We are going to come here on the law, banking CBS customers, and here there is a specification of the date. From here we need to proceed. You can see the customers.packet, which is the type or format type that we just mentioned that we will be having. So you can see its size, it's very small and compared to what it was having before. Now we reached in the interesting part of our videos of designing this modern banking analytics platform, where we are going to proceed with organizing and do some partitioning of our data in this S3, and then later we'll proceed with using the AWS Glue and the data catalog, so that we can do some extractions, transforming our data, do the cleaning, validating, and processing them back to the S3 while they are well cleaned. So stay along in the whole video so that we can keep having the one step to another, so that we can complete this whole architecture. And remember to subscribe for more contents like this.